Open up this heart, and it's you you're gonna see. And though we never met, oh, well, you're so hard to forget. And though I've never seen your face, I can't imagine how you taste. I had to let you know that I am out here on my own. I could swear that I'm alright, oh, but in truth I'm just alone. I'm just alone. But I suppose that this could end in the same way that it all began, you know. Well, back in my heart, 'cause no matter where you've been or what you think or who you're with, it's a matter of your heart. Oh, oh. Slowly now I see how this unfolds. You jump around and then confound these stories told. And of these things I do not know. Of these things I do not know.